right? So bachelor first. Right. So good evening, students. Good evening. Hello. Good evening, students. Sai Aditya. Good evening. Good evening, Sai. Good evening. Good evening, Sai. Serena. Serena is a newcomer. Some more students have joined. Akhilesh Aki, welcome. Good evening. Good evening, Akhilesh. Good evening. Shivakumar has to come. Roshan. I think Sai has come. Serena is there. Akhilesh Shaki is there. Shall I wait for some more students to come? Hello. Please have, if anybody has come new, please type it. Tell me whether you are there or not. Roshan, have you come? Shivakumar, good evening. Good evening, Shivakumar. Good evening, Shivakumar. Good evening. Of the following are quadratic. Maya, Maya Singh, welcome to the class. Good evening, Roshan. Good evening, Sai, Shivakumar, Maya, and Roshan are all in the class. Is there anybody else who have joined now? I'd like to know whether anybody has joined now. Sai is there, Shivakumar, Sai, Shivakumar, Maya, then Roshan. The four of you are there. Shall I start? So now see, which of the following are quadratic equations? Now tell me. Uh, by seeing itself, you should be able to tell. Tell me, which of the following are quadratic equations? First one is a quadratic equation. Sai, Shivakumar, Maya, Roshan, please tell me. Yes, yes, good. First two is yes, then third one is no. Sai has totally given all the five. So first one is yes. Maya, Shivakumar, and Roshan, please try this. Sai has given all the five answers. Just by look it will tell me. Shivakumar given yes. Try to give me give the numbers 1 for yes, 2 for yes, like that. All the five please give me. Type it and tell me. Sai has written like this. Yes. Second one is no. Huh? Oh, sixth one. No, try all. Okay, good. Shivakumar, yes is for one only. Sai for sixth one, no. Correct, Sai. All the six things are good. Good. Roshan, yes, yes, no, yes, yes. Then sixth one, the final one. Roshan also has given the answer. Shivakumar given, but Sai, you have given the full answers. Roshan also given. Last question, this Roshan. Maya, tell me just like that. Type it. One yes, two yes, or three no, like that, please. Roshan Sai has written like that. Shivakumar, yes. Roshan, yes. Last one, no. Maya, yes, yes, no, yes, yes. No, the fourth one, see, fifth one should be Maya, it should be yes. Fifth one is C, x square, fifth one. Yeah, fifth one is no, good, good. Fifth one. Sai, fifth one, you check it up, Sai. Sai. See, first one answer is yes, right? First one answer is right, yes. Second one is also yes, right? What about third one? Third one definitely no. It's a cubic equation. No, it's a cubic one. Third one is no. So fourth one, Maya says yes, is correct. Sanjay, Roshan also yes. Sai also. Fourth one is yes. But check the answer for 5. Very good. Sai has rectified. Sorry, it's number 1, number 4, 5. Yes. No for 5. 5 is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Have anybody is having doubts? So what is the format of this thing? This format will be like this. It will be form of quadratic equation will be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So 3, 4, whatever things all comes, it's not a the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, like that constant. So ax square then plus bx plus c should be the equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. So this is the quadratic. So yesterday we saw all those things. Am I right? Now today we'll go for the problems. The problems we have to convert it into a quadratic equation. See, we'll go to this. So now read this problem. John and Jivanti together have how many marbles they have? 45 marbles. So total between John and Jivanti, total marbles they have, both of them, total number of marbles, both of them holding total 45 marbles. So John plus Jivanti is equal to 45 marbles. Both of them have lost 5 marbles each. So they are actually losing the 5 marbles. Okay. So both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. See, after losing 5 marbles, after losing 5 marbles, see, John has lost 5 and Jivanti has lost 5. When you multiply the balance of John and Jivanti, the product gives you 124. So we like to find out how many marbles they have to start with. This is the sum. So the sum is like this. So this is the sum which we are going to find out. So this is an example in your NCERT textbook. This is an example in the NCERT textbook. We are also going to see. They want us to represent in a mathematical way. So what I am going to do is, see, now we do not know in the beginning how much John had or Jivanti had, but they have given the total numbers between John and, please, that is, you understand, John plus Jivanti will equal to this thing. See, now I let the number of, see, I will do like this. See, the number of marbles John had. Let it be, we are assume let it had be x. See, we are assuming the number of marbles that John had is x. So okay, so The number of marbles John had be x. See, we are assuming number of marbles John had be x. So tell me, number of marbles, how much the marbles Jivanti will have? Then see how much, then Jivanti will have how much? Then Jivanti will have how much? See, then Jivanti have how much? Roshan, Maya, Sai, Shivakumar. See, we are going to solve this problem by using quadratic equations. See, now you see John and Jivanti. The total marbles they have is 45. Both of them lose 5 marbles. Both of them lose 5 marbles. Okay. Then balance John, how much John is having, then Jivanti we do not know, but the multiplication of both, the product is 124. So we are starting the problems like this. Let the number of marbles John had at the beginning be x. We are assuming John is having x marbles. Okay. Now tell me how much Jivanti will have. See, you see here, John plus Jivanti is equal to 45, they are saying. But you are assuming that John is having x. You are assuming John is having x marbles. So x plus Jivanti will be how much? Should be 45. Therefore, so Jivanti will have how much means you must say it is 45 minus x. Are you able to follow this? Yes, Shivakumar, you have written 45 minus x. See how the 45 minus x comes. See, because the number of moles John had be x we are keeping. Now, the Jivanti will have 45 minus x. Okay. So, each of them are losing 5 marbles. Each of them are losing 5 marbles. See, each of them are losing marbles. So, 5 marbles lost by John. 5 marbles lost by John. Then he will have how much balance? He will have balance x. So total marbles as John is having x. So 5 marbles is lost means minus 5. Minus 5. Likewise, 5 marbles lost by Jivanti. Please, if you don't understand this, tell me. 5 marbles is lost by Jivanti. That is, he is having how much? 45 minus x minus 5. So it will come 45 minus 5 is 40. So it will be like this. It will be 40 minus x. See this 45 minus 5 I am subtracting. Again I will tell you. The sum, I am just reading the sum again. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Originally they are having 45 marbles put together. Maybe for example sake I am saying maybe John would have 20 and Jivanti would have been having 25, or reverse, John can have 25 and Jivanti can have 20. So anyway, both of the total marbles held by two held together is only 45. Okay, now both of them lose 5 marbles each. Then after losing the 5 marbles, when you multiply John's balance and the Jivanti's balance, it will get to 124. That is why they say product. The product they now have is 124. Now tell me how the marbles had to start. They say at the beginning how much both of them had, they are asking. So this we have to solve it through quadratic equation. So these are the things which I have assumed here. The number of marbles John had be X. We are assuming the marbles that are been held by John in the beginning is X. Then how much Jivanti will have? See, both of them total, both of them has having 45. So when you might subtract the 40 X from 45, the balance will be with Jivanti, because you know John's marbles is X. So automatically when you minus the John's marble from 45, the balance will be Jivanti's marble. That's what I have written. See, that is why I have written John plus Jivanti is 45. So X plus Jivanti, you are assuming John is X. So Jivanti is equal to 45 by X. Now, okay. Each of them, good. Maya, good. Now each of them are losing 5 marbles. So John is having originally X. So when he loses 5 means it will be X minus 5. Likewise, 5 marbles lost by Jivanti, then it will be 45 minus X minus 5. The 45 minus X is Jivanti's holding. So we are subtracting 5 from that. So it is 40 minus X. Now the equation will be, now what they say, their product. Their product. You know their product. They say their product of John and Jivanti. I am writing like this for your to understand. I am just writing like this. It will be how like this be. It is X minus 5. John is X minus 5. Jivanti is how much? It is Jivanti is how much? 40 minus. So Jivanti is how much? This is 40 minus X. The sum they are given. The product of John and Jivanti should be equal to how much? They say 124. This they have given. See, the product of the number of marbles. Now it's for X minus 1, 40 minus X. So you multiply. When you multiply X into this thing, it will be. See, I am just multiplying. X into 40 is 40X. Then X into minus X is minus X square. Minus 5 into 40 will be, minus 200. Minus 5 into minus X will be 5 plus 5X. That is equal to 124. So it will be, see, this minus 200. Okay, I am taking this minus 200 to other side. It will be plus 200. So here 40X plus 5X will be 45X. 45X minus X square is equal to 124 plus 200. That is, now it will be 45X minus X square is equal to 324. Okay. Now if I multiply with minus, see, if I multiply this equation by minus, it will be like this. See, this become minus 45x. This will be plus x square. See, if I write like 45x minus x square minus 324 is equal to minus 324 is equal to 0. If I start multiplying with this equation, it will become like this: x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 324 is equal to 0. This is the required representation. Okay, now we have found out, Maya Singh has found out the answer. X is equal to 9, that the other value is 36. But here, as we are not going to see the values, but anyway, what we have to find, let's find it. Fine, 9 and 36 is fine. See, we can go through this. So this is the representation of the problem mathematically. You know, view this. What I have explained is in this, that the number of marbles John had be X. Okay, then the number of marbles Jivanti had. You know how it is 45 minus S come? Because the total put together John and Jivanti is 45. So naturally, if John is X means, then Jivanti should be 45 minus X. The number of marbles Jivanti have will be 45 minus X. Likewise, Then see, there's some what here it is, you have to represent it. This problem has to be represented. The represents the problem mathematically. How this problem you are representing in a quadratic equation. Otherwise, Maya has found out the answer. Shivakumar, Roshan, Sai, are you able to understand this problem? Please, can you give yes or no? Otherwise, I'll again explain to you. Maya has found out the answer. I'm asking for Shivakumar, Sai, Roshan. You want me to explain this problem again? Once again, I'll. So you want me to explain? Okay, yes, good. You understood. Shivakumar, you understood? No, yes. Huh? Okay, good. Sai is okay, Shivakumar is okay, Maya is okay. Roshan also okay. Can I proceed to second problem? The next problem? I'll go to the next problem. Good? See now this, please read. Okay, good, Shivakumar, good. A cottage industry produces a certain number of. See, this also you have to represent. We are going to find out the values in the subsequent problems only. They want this thing to be represented in the quadratic equation way. See, a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Again, let us read the problem. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. So they are putting a certain number of toys in a day. We do not know the number. Okay. Production of toys, number of toys one side. Then next one, the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. For instance, if you are producing 100 toys a day, the cost of each will be 100 minus 55. That will be 45 for each toy. For example, I am telling you. So on one particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. Now represent it in a graphical way. So first we do not know the number of toys. So I am assuming that the number of toys produced on that day be here. Let the number of toys produced on that day be X. Okay. Let the number of toys produced on that day be X. Okay. Now therefore the cost of production, therefore the cost of production of each toy on that day is equal to 55 minus X. That is, they say the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys. You are assuming the number of toys as X. So therefore, the cost of production of each toy on that day will be how much? 55 minus X. So total cost of production will be the product of number of toys into cost of each toy. See, I am putting is total cost of production. Total cost of production on that day. The day will be X into 55 minus X, and that they have given us how much? That is equal to 750. See, you can read this. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. But according to our this thing, X into 55 minus X is coming. That is equal. That should be equivalent to 750. Now we arrange like this. Now we'll take this. So here you multiply X into 55 minus X minus X square is equal to 750. Bring this 750 here. Minus X square minus 750 is equal to 0. Now you multiply with minus. So it will become like this. So this will become minus X square will become X square minus 55X plus 750 is equal to 0. This is the required representation of the problem mathematically. Okay. Roshan, are you able to understand this? Roshan, Maya, Shivakumar, Sai, are you able to understand this problem? See, what these two problems are asking you, how you will represent this problem in a quadratic equation way. That is, you have to bring it to the form of quadratic equation. See this? How it has come? Let the number of toys produced on that day be X. Therefore, the cost of production of each toy that day was 55 minus X. The total cost of production in rupees at that day will be the product of both number of toys into cost of production of each toy. That is X into 55 minus X. But X into 55 minus X has given on that particular day how much? It is 750. It is 750. So equate. So X into 55 minus X should be equal to, this side is equal to, that should be equal to 750. So now I am arranging. So 55X minus X square, I am bringing this 750 to the other end. Then signs will change, it will become. So now multiply by minus, it will be X square minus 55X plus 70. So therefore, the number of toys produced that day should satisfy this quadratic equation. Should satisfy this quadratic equation. Shall we proceed, Sai, Roshan, Shivakumar, Maya Singh? Hello? Maya? Roshan, Shivakumar? Good. Shivakumar is okay. Sai? Shall I proceed? Maya, are you attending class, please? Maya, can I proceed? Shivakumar, yes. Sai? Okay. Roshan, okay. Shall I proceed? Sai, it's okay. Okay, good. Sai shall proceed. What about Maya is not watching? Is there any problem with audio? Oh, yes, yes. Okay, okay, Maya. Okay, I'll go. Good. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now I shall proceed. So yesterday we were solving the exercise 4.1. Am I right? Yesterday we were solving the your textbook problem 4.1. Up to 8 problems we have solved it. Now read this. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Now can you all try this problem? The area of a rectangular plot is fine. Okay. Now today, see this another problem. This is a problem from exercise 4.1. 4.1, your book exercise 4.1, problem 2. 4.1, problem 2. Okay. See, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So first, how to represent the form of this one. Yes, Maya, you're doing it good. See, I'll try to solve. I'll actually solve this problem, and I will have this thing with you. Okay. See, I'm keeping what is see first area of tell me what is the area of rectangle formula? Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of a rectangle problem is length into breadth. Okay. 2 into square plus yes square. Okay. So let us see how we are going to do this problem. I'll solve this. See, I'm okay. What they say, the length of the plot is 1 more than the twice its breadth. So I'm assuming the breadth of the rectangular plot is x meters. See, let breadth be x meters. Am I right? I am just assuming as x meters. Then what is the length? According to the problem, they say the length of the plot is 1 more than the twice its breadth. Length is equal to what is twice its breadth? Breadth is x meter. Twice its breadth is 2x. 1 more than this. Now are you able to follow? See, area of a rectangle is length into breadth. According to the problem, length of the plot is 1 more than the twice its breadth. Now I am assuming let the breadth be x meters. Therefore, the length will be twice the breadth plus 1 more. So that will be 2x plus 1. Okay. Now according to our this thing, what is the area? This then area is equal to L into B. That is x into 2x plus 1. But according to the problem, what is that they have given? The area of the rectangle plot, this should be equal to 528. Likewise, Maya, Negit and Shivakumar, Sai are also, you have to equate like this. See, according to the problem, the area is this. When we assume this, the statement, assuming on base of statements, it's x into 2x plus 1. So, I multiply this, it will be 2x square plus x is equal to 528. That is equal to 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So, now the breadth of the rectangular plot should satisfy this equation. Now they are not asking you in this question, they are not, we need to find the length and breadth of, with this we can find out the length and breadth of the plot. Therefore the breadth of the rectangular plot satisfies the quadratic equation. It should this quadratic 2x square plus. Please see this, view this. Can you Maya, Snegit, Shivakumar, Sai, Roshan, please see this problem. Are able to understand how we are bringing it like this? According to the problem, the area they have given, but they have given a clue. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So I am assuming let the breadth be x. So length will be equal, when we have breadth is x means length should be, they say twice the breadth plus 1 more than, so plus 1. So it will be 2x plus 1. So what is area? Area. So when I multiply x into 2x plus 1 should be equal to 528. Already they have given there. So it is 2x square plus x plus is equal to 528, and this should satisfy this equation. Roshan, Maya, Negit, Shivakumar, Sai, please can I proceed to the next problem? If this problem is okay, is this okay? Roshan, Maya, Sai, Shivakumar, Negit, can I proceed, Roshan? That is next problem. Is it clear? I don't know whether it is clear, whether you are able to understand or you want me to again explain. Sai, yes sir, good, nice. Snegit, good, yes. Then what about others, please? Shivakumar, yes, good. Next one. Sai, Snegit, Shivakumar given, Roshan, Maya. Can I proceed? Maya, I can proceed. Okay, good. Snegit, everybody is okay. I will proceed. The next problem. So I want you to, okay, good. Now please solve the next problem on your own. Okay, now tell me, everyone should say the right equation. Now I'll just put like this. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Give me this thing, the quadratic equation for this. Maya, please give Roshan, Maya, Shivakumar, Snegit, Sai, please give me the form of quadratic equation for this. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So we have to need to find the integers. Please try and give me the answer. Give me the equation. Show me the equation. Please show me the equation, whatever you're getting. Maya, good. Shivakumar, good. Sai, x square plus x minus 306, very nice. Snegit, very nice. Good, good. Snegit, Sai, Shivakumar, Maya. What about Roshan? Roshan, can you type out this equation, or you want me to write? Roshan, can you please try? I'll give you the answer. See this? Take it okay. Sai Shivakumar, all right. That is will be x square plus x minus 3 naught x 6 is equal to 0. Yes. See now, see this. Roshan, give it. Very nice. Very nice, Roshan. Good, good. Good, Roshan. Nice. Very nice. Very nice, Roshan. So the small positive unit satisfies the quadratic equation. See this. View this. Please view. So that the two constitutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Then their product is x into x plus 1. Good. So x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 1. All of you are right. All of you are right. Very nice. Very nice. So shall we go to the next problem? Please try this next problem. Okay. Now try this. So I'll read this problem. Rohan's mother is 20 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years is 3 years. The product of the ages 3 years from now. See, after 3 years. What they mean is, after 3 years, their product will be 360. So we would like to find the Rohan's percentage. Give me the quadratic equation for this. I want everybody to work this problem. I want everybody to work this problem. The Rohan's mother is 26 years. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. That means they talk about the percentage. See, they are talking about the percentage. The percentage of Rohan's mother is 26 years older than Rohan. The product of their ages after 3 years. From 3 years from now means will be 360. Find Rohan's. I need the quadratic equation for this problem. Quadratic equation for this problem. I need this quadratic equation for this problem. Minus good, x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Good. Psi x square plus 32x minus 273. Very nice. Good. Psi, Maya, you brought out the answers. What about Shivakumar? Yes, x square plus 26. Yes. So you can multiply and give the equation, Shivakumar. Okay, you are right. Over the first step, that is x square plus 26x. Here 26x. Shivakumar, I feel it is wrong. Can you find out that, Shivakumar? Here you have not added this 2 into 3. The equation is wrong, Shivakumar. Shivakumar, equation is wrong. Sai, Maya, okay. Sai and Maya, okay. Try again, Shivakumar. See, 3 years from now on, we see their percentage. They are talking about percentage. Now 3 years from now on, you have to see. Shivakumar, Snehit, you have not come out. Sai, you were given. Okay, Sai and Maya have the answer. So what about the rest? I would like to know. Or otherwise, I'll solve this problem. Okay, I'll solve this problem. See, I'll solve this problem. See, first, what I am doing is, see here, Rogan's mother is 26 years older than him. I am assuming, see, let Rogan's Rogan's present age, let Rogan's present age be X. I am keeping like this. So Rogan's present age be X. I am keeping. So Rogan's mother's present age will be how much? Mother's present age will be, see, 20. What is that? Rogan's mother is 26 years older than him. Snegit, x square plus 32x minus 273. Very nice. X square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Good. Shivakumar, okay. Snegit, okay. Okay, now I'll just solve this problem. So Rogan's mother's present age will be, that is 20, x plus 26. So because Rogan's mother is 26 older than elder, I mean she's difference 26 more. So x plus 26. Am I right? So x plus 26. See, 3 years from now, 3 years from now, 3 years from now, 3 years, 3 years from now, 3 years from now, 3 years from now, what will be Rohan's age? 3 years from now, Rohan's age will be 3 more than what the percentage, that is it will be x plus 3. Likewise, 3 years from now, Rohan's mother's age will be 3 years add. We have to add 3 years. Rohan's mother's age 3 years from now will be x plus 26 plus 3. So that will be x plus 29. So what they say, the product of their ages from 3 years, that is the product they have given, the product of these two, that is x plus 3 into x plus 29 should be equivalent to, they say, 360. This is the equation. You understand? Again, right from the beginning I'm telling. See, as we are assuming, let Rogan's present age be x. So mother's age will be x plus 26 because she's 26 older than him. She's 26 years older than him. She's 26 years older than him. So 26 years older than him means it is to be x plus 26. After 3 years, they say that after 3 years only they are giving their product. So after 3 years, what will be Rohan's age? It will be additional 3. So Rohan's present age will be x, then it will be added. See, suppose today's your age is 15. What will be your age after 3 years means it will be 15 plus 3. Am I right? Likewise, Rogan's age after 3 years will be x plus 3. Likewise, Rogan's mother's age now is x plus 26. After 3 years, another 3 years added. That is x plus 26 plus 3. So this product is equal to this. Now you multiply x into x, that is x square, plus x into 29, that is 29x, plus 3 into x, 3x, plus 29 into 3, 27, then 27 2, then 87. It will be 80. Be 80. So it will be 87. So it will be 87 is equal to 360. Now it will be x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. So it will be x square plus 32x, 87 minus will be minus 273 is equal to 0. So please watch this also. Whether you are able to understand, tell me. Sai, Maya, okay, Negit have come. Shivakumar, are you able to understand this? Shivakumar, please. Shivakumar, are you able to understand this? Shivakumar, can I proceed? Shall I proceed to the next problem? Okay, are you able to follow? Is it very tough, or you want me to explain again? Do you want me to explain again? Do anybody wants me to explain? Okay, Shivakumar, yes means should I continue, or you want me to explain again? Shivakumar, you want me to explain again? Roshan, you want me to explain again? Am I right? See, okay, I'll explain again. I'll explain. See, Roshan's mother is 26 years older than him. For instance, suppose, imagine, uh, see, I am a 10-year-old boy. Suppose if my mother is 26 years older than me, means what will be my mother's age? 10 plus 26. Do you understand what I am telling, sir? Okay. I shall continue. Thank you. So this problem is okay. I can go for the next problem. Shall I go for the next problem? Yes. Okay. Good. Now try this problem. This is a little bit difficult problem based on time and distance. This problem is based on time and distance. This problem is based on time and distance. But can you, anybody solve this? Sai, Maya, Sai, Snegit, Shivakumar, Roshan. Try this problem. My good, x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Very nice. Good, good. Okay, this problem I'll solve. Okay, this problem, I'm going to solve this problem. Please have this. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Find the speed of the train. Size okay. Square minus 8u. Yes, 1100. Sai okay. Maya and Sai is okay. You're given the answers. Good. That's the right answer. Maya, Sai answer. Okay. Anyway, I'll solve this problem. See, you know the time, no? See, formula here, time is equal to what? Time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. So, time taken by the train to cover the distance How much? It is 480. Is 480 is 480 by x. Speed is x. Distance, this is speed. Okay. Shivakumar got x square minus 8x minus 1. This is Shivakumar, Chai, Maya. You have solved it. Very nice. So I will continue to solve this problem. So time taken by train to cover the distance is 480 by x. So this one, you keep it this one. Okay, this is a normal time taken. This is a normal time taken. So if the speed is less than 8 kilometers, then it would have taken 3 hours more. So speed less than 8. Now put the speed. Speed less 8 kilometers. Speed less 80 kilometers. The time taken will be 3 hours more. So it will take 3 hours more, they say. So same distance, 440 minutes. So for this, we'll see what is the time. So this time will be, for this time will be distance by means 480 divided by, so 8 kilometers less means x minus 8. This is new time taken. This is normal, but when the speed is 8 kilometers less, Maya, okay, Roshan also solved it, Sivakumar, Sai, Maya, all the 4 have solved it. Okay, good, good. I'll finish it off. So the time will be 480. See, now what is according to this problem? What is, the original, this time is 3 hours more it takes. What will be 3 hours means? It will be, the equation will be like this. See, 480 by x minus 8 should be equal to, what was the usual time? Usual time taken is 480 by x plus 3 hours. Put this. That's all. So now we can arrange it in such a way. We have to take the LCM and do it like this. So here I am bringing this all to one side. 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 480 by x, okay, is equal to 3. Clear? Okay. Solved. Roshan solved. Shivakumar, Asai, Maya, Snegit, Roshan. Okay, you also solved it. Shivakumar, Sai, Maya solved it. Is anybody is left out? I'll do it. Now what we do is, so I write here, see, 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. So I'm taking this 480 common outside. That will be like this: 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So I take this 480 here. It will be 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 4. So when you take LCM, it will be x minus 8 into x is equal to, it will be 3 by 480, right, like this. Here what will happen? X minus of, okay, x minus 8. Okay, clear? So I arrange here upstairs, it will be the x minus x minus 8, x minus x 8. So will be divided by x minus 8 into x is equivalent to this. This you can take this 3 common. So 3 common. So it will be 3 ones. 1 by, it will be 1 by 160. So again you can proceed like this. So xx will be cancelled. Here x minus x will be minus 8 by, will be x square minus okay. So it will be x square minus 8x. See the watch this. So it will be x equal to 100. So the answer will be x square minus 8x minus 180. So therefore, the uniform speed of the train satisfies these quadratic equations. When you arrange, it will be 1 by 60. Then it will be like this. Okay. Everyone is okay? Roshan, Maya, everyone clear? The answer, see the work out how it comes this. Please go through it. So this step, what will be by 8 a square, this will be 8 into 160. Able to follow this? Clear? Roshan, okay. Shivakumar, Sai, good. The square minus 8, you want to Sai also, Maya Singh, Negit, okay. It's okay. Negit also come out. Nice, very nice. Everyone has understood these problems. So with this, that exercise is fully over. It's completely, we have completed that exercise of 4.1. So tomorrow class, we'll go for quadratic equation by factorization method. By factorization. Tomorrow, we'll go to and we'll take factorization. That is, thing is quadratic equation by factorization. Tomorrow, our class will continue with quadratic equations by factorization. Thank you, Roshan, Maya Singh, Snegit, thank you, Roshan, Shivakumar. Can we, why can we stop with this? Can I? Okay, because I think you have this science class after this. So shall we close it? Thank you. Good day, Sanjay, Roshan, Maya, Snegit, Shivakumar, Sai. Can you? Shall we close it? Thank you, Shivakumar. Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Sai. Thank you. Good. Shivakumar, Sai. Thank you. Thank you. Good day. Snegit, Roshan, Maya. Snegit, go. Thank you. Thank you, Snegit. Roshan, Maya. Roshan, thank you. Thank you, Roshan. Sai, okay. Okay. Thank you. So we'll meet tomorrow. Okay? We'll meet tomorrow. Maya, it's okay? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.